Welcome to Sky&Sea Reviews. Today, we're diving into the latest marvel in modern aviation, the 2025 Lockheed Nighthawk Fighter Jet. This next-generation stealth aircraft is engineered for supremacy in the skies, blending cutting-edge technology with breathtaking performance. From its aerodynamic exterior to its unmatched efficiency, let's explore what makes this jet a game-changer. Performance. The 2025 Lockheed Nighthawk is built for speed, agility, and precision. Powered by advanced twin-engine thrust vectoring technology, it can achieve Mach 2+ speeds while maintaining superior maneuverability. Its state-of-the-art avionics system integrates AI-assisted targeting and enhanced radar evasion, making it one of the most formidable aircraft in aerial combat. Whether in stealth operations or high-speed engagements, this fighter jet delivers unparalleled performance. Exterior design. Lockheed has redefined stealth with the Nighthawk's futuristic design. Its angular frame and radar-absorbing materials make it nearly invisible to enemy detection. The sleek, aerodynamic airframe minimizes drag, while its advanced heat dissipation technology ensures low infrared signature. With an aggressive stance and next-gen camouflage coatings, this jet doesn't just look intimidating, it dominates the airspace. Fuel efficiency. Despite its high-speed capabilities, the Nighthawk 2025 is designed with fuel efficiency in mind. The jet features a hybrid propulsion system, optimizing fuel consumption while extending mission range. Its adaptive engine technology intelligently adjusts power output based on flight conditions, ensuring maximum endurance without compromising performance. This innovation reduces operational costs while enhancing long-range combat effectiveness. The 2025 Lockheed Nighthawk isn't just a fighter jet, it's a statement of power, stealth, and advanced engineering. With its superior performance, cutting-edge design, and remarkable efficiency, it sets a new standard for the future of air combat. What are your thoughts on this next-gen aircraft? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sky&Sea Reviews for more in-depth aviation insights. Stay tuned for our next high-flying review.